Come test drive the 2017 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.